Today's video is on recalls and why Tesla and Nissan sales could be in trouble for this holiday season. Tesla's recalling nearly 1.1 million US vehicles because the window automatic reversal system may not react correctly after detecting an obstruction. So your car may give you crushed fingers for the holidays. The brand told the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration it will perform an over-the-air software update of the automatic window reversal system. The recall covers 2017 through 2022 Model 3, 2020 through 2021 Model Y, and 21 through 2022 Model S and Model X. Tesla isn't aware of any warranty claims, reports, injuries, or deaths related to the recall as of yet. The NHTSA stated, a window closing without the proper automatic reversing system may exert excessive force by pinching the driver or passenger before retracting, increasing the risk of injury. And the aforementioned models failed to comply with the requirements of a federal motor safety standard on power windows. Tesla employees noted in August that the reversal system had greater than expected variations in response to pinch detection. Still, after additional testing, the performance did not meet national standards. A patch was started for September 13th for in-production and pre-delivery vehicles to fix the issue. An over-the-air software update is needed, and no owners need to bring their car to a dealership or service center, unlike traditional recalls. Owner notification letters are expected to be mailed on November 15th. Owners may contact Tesla customer service at 1-877-798-3752. Tesla's number for this recall is SB TAC 22 TAC 00 TAC 013. If you're getting great value from this automotive news, like the video and subscribe for more daily reports. Things aren't any better for my brand, Nissan, which released an actual enthusiast sports car to rival the GR Supra. This turbocharged sports coupe is available with a manual and automatic transmission, but the folks at Nissan are stopping the sale of automatic equipped Nissan Zs. This stoppage is due to the 9-speed automatic transmission equipped vehicles. This stop of sale follows a similar issue found in Titan and Frontier trucks, which also has the 9-speed automatic. This issue is due to an internal problem with the transmission that prevents parking from engaging, which could lead to runaway conditions. Nissan initiated quality control on my 2023 Nissan Z automatic transmission equipped vehicles on August 29, 2022, while investigating the issue. The investigation is ongoing at this time. This is terrible news if you're expecting or waiting for delivery of a 2023 Nissan Z automatic. It's excellent news if you like the manual though. Those are good to go and shouldn't have any problems. It's unclear when Nissan will find a solution to the transmission problems, but engineers are working. The affected models are 2020 through 2023 Nissan Titans, the A61, affecting 58,693 vehicles, including 1,719 in dealership inventory. The 2020 through 2021 Nissan Frontier D40, previous generation, affecting 52,213 vehicles. The 2022 through 2023 Nissan Frontier D41, which is the current gen, affecting 92,137 vehicles, including 5,601 in dealership inventories. It also initiated a hold on shipments from its Canton, Mississippi assembly plant while the situation is ongoing. Per the NHTSA documents, the manufacturer will mail out notices to current owners on November 1st. For more information, owners can contact their local dealer or Nissan customer service at 1-800-867-7669. The recall number for this campaign is 22V TAC 671. You can find out more through the agency's website or by calling their vehicle safety hotline. That number is 1-888-327-4236. Some sad news on the automotive market today, but hey, as long as they can identify and fix these problems now, we'll have a greater and happier tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by for this video. Check out this video next for more automotive news. Thanks for watching and have a great day.